Hi, my name's Nick.
My name is Noah,
Welcome to a new episode.
and today we're throwing a party. But something crazy just happened.
Oh man, you won't believe this. The doorbell just rang, and I totally forgot to grab the drinks.
For real? That's classic Nick. Always last minute.
Okay, don't panic. Come on in. Let's see who's here.
All right, listeners, repeat after me. Come on in.
Perfect. That's how you welcome a friend casually at the door. So, how's it going, Noah?
I'm good. Kind of tired from the drive, but this smells amazing.
No worries, man. Take it easy. Okay, listeners, repeat with me. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Exactly. That's warm and friendly. You can also say, hey, how's it going?
Or just what's up if you're super casual.
True. Americans say that all the time at parties.
So, you thirsty, Noah? Soda, juice, or sparkling water if you're feeling fancy.
I'll take a soda. Actually, maybe some sparkling water too.
Of course, grab a drink. Help yourself. Grab a drink is casual. Help yourself is common at American parties.
And snacks too, right? Chips, popcorn, maybe cookies?
Absolutely. Want some chips?
Yes.
Perfect. That's how you offer snacks politely and casually. Quick challenge. You're at a friend's party. What do you say first?
Option A, would you like a beverage?
Too formal.
Option B, grab a drink.
Bingo! That's casual and friendly. Repeat. Grab a drink. All right, Noah, make yourself at home.
Okay, what does that mean exactly?
It's American slang for being relaxed. You can sit anywhere, grab a snack, chill. Repeat. Make yourself at home.
Cool, so I can just sit here?
Yep, feel free to sit anywhere. These phrases instantly make guests feel welcome. So, what's new, Noah?
Kinda into hiking lately. And video games, of course.
Listeners, repeat. I'm kinda into...
And if someone says for real, you can answer, yeah, that's awesome.
Exactly. Repeat. For real? And that's awesome. Mini challenge. Imagine you meet a friend at a party. What do you say first?
Hey, how's it going?
Perfect. Now offer them a drink. Grab a drink. Help yourself. Let's practice a few phrases together. Hey, how's it going?
Grab a drink.
I'm kinda into hiking.
Make yourself at home.
Quick note. At American parties, it's casual. Greet, offer drinks, small talk. Don't overthink.
And a little playful joke helps break the ice.
Totally. Friendly humor makes conversations easier.
Okay, Nick, I feel ready to mingle.
Ha ha ha! That's the spirit. Keep practicing greetings, drinks, and small talk phrases.
Can't wait to meet more guests and start the fun conversations.
For now, keep repeating these phrases and enjoy practicing.
Let's make this party awesome. Wow, Nick, more people just arrived. Looks like this party is getting bigger.
Yep, and you know what that means. Time to introduce people and get everyone comfortable.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Exactly. That's how you greet someone new at a party. Short, friendly, easy to remember. All right, here's a tip. When introducing someone, you can say, This is my friend Noah.
And then what?
Then you can add a little info. He's really into hiking and video games. It gives people something to talk about.
That's fine. Gives everyone a conversation starter.
Exactly. And you can ask the other person a question too, like, what do you like to do for fun? Okay, now you want your guests to feel at home. You can say, make yourself at home.
Oh yeah, like we practiced.
Right. Or feel free to sit anywhere.
Cool. So I can grab a snack while chatting?
Totally. That's the idea. Help yourself and enjoy the party. Now that everyone's comfortable, it's time for small talk. Ask simple questions like, how's your weekend going?
Or have you tried the snacks yet?
Perfect. You can also say, that's awesome, or for real?
And if someone says, I like hiking too, you can say, no way, that's cool.
Exactly. Repeat, no way, that's cool. Let's do a mini role play. Imagine you meet a new guest at a party. What do you say first?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Then ask a question. What do you like to do for fun?
And then offer them a snack. Grab a plate. Help yourself.
Let's practice a few more phrases together. I'm really into hiking.
Make yourself at home.
Feel free to sit anywhere.
No way, that's cool.
Quick note for listeners, in American parties, people love casual introductions and easy conversation. You don't need formal language, just friendly phrases.
And don't forget to smile. It's super important.
Totally. A smile and a few casual questions go a long way.
All right, Nick, I feel confident introducing people now.
That's awesome. Keep practicing greetings, introductions, and casual conversation.
Can't wait to join the group and start some fun chats.
Perfect. Keep using these phrases with your friends at home or at real parties. Let's make this party fun and natural.
Wow, Nick. This party is really alive now. Music, chatter, and everyone's having a blast.
Yep, and now it's your turn to jump into the conversations.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Perfect. That's the easiest way to start chatting with someone new. Another tip, ask open questions, like, what's your favorite hobby?
Or, have you seen any good movies lately?
Listeners, repeat, what's your favorite hobby? And, have you seen any good movies lately?
And if they say something exciting, respond with, that's awesome, or for real?
Exactly. Those phrases make your conversation fun and natural. Quick reminder, if someone hasn't grabbed a drink, say, grab a drink, help yourself.
Or offer some snacks. Grab a plate, help yourself.
These little phrases make people feel comfortable instantly. Mini challenge. Imagine you meet a new guest. Say hello, ask a question, and offer a snack.
Hi, nice to meet you. What do you like to do for fun? Grab a plate, help yourself.
Awesome. Keep practicing that with your friends at home. Let's practice some phrases with natural stress and rhythm. Make yourself at home.
I'm really into hiking.
No way, that's cool.
Grab a drink, help yourself.
When someone's leaving the party, you can say, it was great seeing you, or have a good night.
Or let's hang out again soon.
These are friendly ways to end a conversation without being awkward.
And always smile. It leaves a good impression.
Quick tip: Americans value casual friendliness. Greeting, offering drinks, chatting, and polite goodbyes are all part of making friends feel comfortable.
A little humor or playful comment helps too. It makes the conversation lively.
Exactly. It's all about warmth and connection, not perfection.
Wow, Nick, I feel ready for any party now.
That's the goal. Keep practicing these phrases: greetings, small talk, and polite goodbyes.
And remember, it's all about being confident and having fun while speaking English.
Listeners, keep using these phrases with your friends, at school, or at real parties. Practice makes perfect.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of learning.
Thanks for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real English conversation tips.
What's your favorite party phrase from today? Let us know in the comments.
And check out our other episodes to keep practicing English naturally and confidently.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep having fun with English.
See you at the next party. Episode.